Good morning. So I'm currently making my way out of the forest road, leaving our campsite, and I'm not too sure. Oh, this way. I'm making my way out of here. Hopefully I don't get lost. And yeah, I'm heading to Prescott Valley to get my tires rotated. Woo! I was just about to get out and do some more B-roll of the van driving by, but it's like the Discovery Channel here. Hold on. It's okay. They don't want to be your friend. Tons of deer. Pretty cool. We've made it to Prescott Tire Pros. The time is 8:37. I have a 9 o'clock appointment, but you know what they say? If you're early, you're on time, and if you're on time, then you're late. But yeah, I got my paperwork ready to go. When I got these tires a few months ago, I did pay for the warranty for them. I think it's 60,000 miles, and that requires you to get a rotation every 5,000 miles, which is free. It's included in the warranty, so it's not really that big of a deal. I don't mind having that done, and I know how to make my tires last longer. Also, there's a Tire Pros like everywhere, so they're not too hard to come across. And I am gonna have them check the alignment, because when I'm driving, the wheel is very slightly tilted to the right and it drives me insane. And yeah, I think that might have a lot to do with me driving off-road on the forest roads a lot. Maybe something came out of spec a little bit. And I believe they'll check my balance for free as well too. So I'm gonna get alignment checked, balance checked, tire rotation checked, checkity check check. Let's go tell them we're here. We're good to go. Van's all checked up on. Tire Pros. If you need tires, go to Tire Pros. It's the best garage I've ever dealt with. But yeah, I guess, so the balance was off on a couple of the wheels. So we got that checked out and taken care of. The alignment, he said, was within spec. So not really gonna mess with that. And yeah, I got my tires rotated. That's all. 5,000 miles till the next checkup. 5,000 miles of adventure to come. But today, I'll probably only go a couple miles. So let's see what we can go find around Prescott. Wow, Mia, you almost pulled me off the edge. We're on the Willow Lake loop trail, and I have to keep her contained as per the signs for local regulations for leash laws. I've driven past this place quite a few times in the past couple weeks, going through Prescott area, and I never had the chance to stop, because I was always on my way somewhere. But after our tire appointment, we now find ourselves with some time to kill before we find a new camp spot tonight. Mia's been a patient pup, so we're on a little stroll. Come on. She hates being on the leash, and I hate holding a leash, but sometimes you gotta compromise. Come on, go. Wait for me. Hup. I call this leash view. Pretty cool. It's kind of toasty out. It'd be nice to take a dip, but probably not the water you want to be swimming in, with about 40 million ducks down there, or geese, some sort of bird. They also don't want to be your friends. Somewhat like those deer we saw this morning. Good thing you're contained, wild child. Mia, we're back at the van. Are you coming in? You want to stay outside? I bet you're thirsty. Give her a couple pumps. Oh. Come on. Come on. Yummy. Well, that was a nice little walk. We are now going to head back up to Chino really quickly. I need to pick up some packages that I've been waiting for. And yeah, that was a cool area around this lake over here. And I did get my LAANC, which stands for Low Altitude Authorization and Notification Capability, to fly my drone around here because it is near an airport. I use an app called Before You Fly to notify me whether it's safe to fly before I do. And I got clearance to fly up to 150 feet, but when I got to the area where I was going to fly, it was pretty windy and it was right over the water, and I had to have Mia on a leash. So all of those factors made me decide it was probably not a good idea. But anyway, it was a cool walk, and yeah. Ooh, emergency brake. I dropped my phone. It's a mess. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Okay, let's go to Chino. We found home for the next couple days. You can come out if you want. Come on, Mia, come on. Jeez, Willikers, what are you, taking an afternoon nap? Nice and level under a nice tree. I really love these ponderosa pines. So tall and spread out. They add some real nice character to a campsite. And oh look, already eating stuff she shouldn't be eating. Hey, hey. I can't win. But yeah, I got some mail. We got a little microphone for the GoPro. I'm really trying to help cut out wind noise and improve the audio quality. And some little windscreens for it. This is my favorite part. A helicopter pad for the drone. Cool. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna settle in, make some lunch because I've been running around all day. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You know the deal. Have a great day. Mia, stop eating that. There's a reason I got this helicopter pad. This drone sits so low to the ground before takeoff. I don't want sand to mess it up, so this is gonna save me in the future.